Config policy objects, GPO, is a core task for managing behavior of users and computers in an Active Directory environment. GPOs allow system admins to enforce settings across messages and users to ensure consistency, security, and compliance. A group policy object, GPO, is a collection of settings that control how computers and users behave within an Active Directory environment. GPOs can apply settings to a wide range of system behavior security settings, software installation, user permissions, desktop settings, and network configurations. GPOs are created and managed via the Group Policy Management Console, GPMC, which is typically accessed on a Windows server via an administrative workstation with the remote server administration tools installed. To access GPMC, open Group Policy Management from the Start menu. Expand your domain to see existing GPOs and manage new ones. To configure a GPO, first, create a GPO by opening the Group Policy Management Console, right-clicking on the Group Policy Objects container, selecting New, giving the GPO a meaningful name, and clicking OK. Next, edit the GPO by right-clicking it and selecting Edit, which opens the Group Policy Management Editor. Here, you'll see two main nodes: Computer Configuration, which includes settings that apply to configuration, which includes settings that apply to users. You can configure various settings depending on what you want to achieve: password policies, software installation, top restrictions, startup, shutdown scripts, Windows firewall, and log management. Each setting is typically a policy which you can modify to meet your requirements. After configuring your GPO, link it to a container by right-clicking the container where you want the GPO to apply, selecting Link an existing GPO, choosing the GPO you created, and clicking OK. Once a GPO is applied, it may take time for the settings to propagate. You can manually force an update by running gpupdate force from the command line on a target machine. GPOs are applied in a specific order, and the settings can be overridden or inherited depending on their location and configuration. The order of precedence is local GPO, domain-level GPOs, and OU-level GPOs. When GPOs conflict, the more specific GPO can override the domain GPO. You can apply GPOs to specific groups or computers by using security filtering and WMI filtering. Security filtering limits the application of a GPO to specific groups or users, while WMI filtering allows you to apply GPOs based on system attributes. To troubleshoot group policy issues, tools like gpresult and resultant set of policy can help determine which GPOs are being applied and if there are any conflicts. The command gpresult bar displays the group policy settings applied to a user or computer, and RSOP is a graphical tool for seeing the result of GPO processing. Best practices for managing GPOs include organized logically with descriptive names, testing GPOs in a test OU before full deployment, minimizing complexity to ensure manageability, and using GPO delegate to restrict who can edit and manage GPOs for better security. GPOs are an essential tool for centralizing administrative tasks in a Windows environment, providing a powerful way to security, standardize settings, and automate configurations across many systems. By following a clear process for creation, application, and management, you can ensure consistency and security across your network.